हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं रोहित सिंह आप सभी का वेलकम करता हूं वी स्टडी मैथ के यूट्यूब चैनल पर। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व रेशनल नंबर फ्रॉम एस्चान बुक एक्सरसाइज 1A। सो लेट स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। एक्सरसाइज 1A from एस्चान बुक, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। We start this exercise from question number 3 part 1, and the question is given here 2 by 5, and what we have to find four equivalent rational number, four equivalent rational number. So how can we find the four equivalent rational number of this? For that we have to multiply, we write 2 by 5 4 times like this. Now multiply first one, like 2 multiply 2 comma, this one going to multiply 3 and 3, this one going to multiply 4 and 4, and this one is going to multiply 5 and going to multiply by 5. Now 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6, 5 3 ja 15, 2 8 4 ja 8, 5 4 ja 20, and 2 5 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25. And this is the answer of this problem. Now move to the next question. Question number 3 part 2nd. Question number 3 part 2nd is given here, negative 5 by 9. Let's start solving this question. First we are going to write 4 equivalent rational numbers. So 4 equivalent rational number. First we are going to write negative 5 by 9 4 times. Negative 5 by 9, negative 5 by 9, negative 5 by 9. Now what we do? We are going to multiply this number by 2 in numerator and in denominator. Now second number we are going to multiply by 3 and 3. And third number by 4 going to multiply 4, and the fourth number will going to multiply by 5 going to multiply by 5. Now what we do? We do the calculation here. Negative 5 I am going to multiply 2, so that is equal to negative 10 by 18. Now the second, negative 15 by 27. Third one, negative 20 upon 36. Now the fourth one, negative 25 upon 45. This is 36, and this is the answer of this problem. I hope you understand very well. Now move to the next problem. Next problem, question number 3 part 3, and this problem is here 8 upon negative 11. So my dear students, what we do here first, let rough this first one. Here the denominator is negative, so the concept is that we have to make this denominator positive. For that I am going to multiply this denominator by -1, so I am also going to multiply the numerator by -1, and after multiply what we have, -8 upon +11. Now we have to find 4 equivalent rational numbers of -8 upon 11. So how can we do this? It is a very simple process. -8 by 11 will going to be multiplied by 2. We are going to multiply 2 by numerator and 2 by denominator. Again we take -8 by 11, and this time we are going to multiply numerator by 3 and denominator by 3. Again take 8 by 11. This time we are going to multiply by 4 in numerator and 4 by in denominator. Again we took -8 by 11, and numerator will going to multiply by 5 and denominator will going to multiply by 5. Now 8 2 is 16. -16 upon 22 is the first equivalent rational number. -24 and 33 is the second equivalent rational number. -32 upon 44 is the third rational number, equivalent rational number, and -40 upon 55 is the fourth equivalent rational number, and this is the answer of this given problem. Now move to the next question. Question number 3, part 4. Question number 3, part 4, given here, -12 upon 13. Now we have to find 4 equivalent rational number. So how can we find? First we are going to write 4 equivalent rational number of -12 by 13. So in the next line, -12 by 13 will going to multiply by 2 and 2. Negative, we take again -12 by 13, and this time we are going to multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator will also 3. Again take -12 by 13. This time we are going to multiply the numerator by 4 and denominator with 4. Again we take -12 by 13, and this time we are going to multiply the numerator by 5 and the denominator will also 5. Now 12 to the -24 upon 26 is the first equivalent rational number. -36 upon 39 is the second equivalent rational number. -48 upon 52 is the third equivalent rational number, and -60 upon 65 is the fourth equivalent rational number. So this is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 1A from S. Chand book. Now move to the next question. Question number 2 of that is question number 4. Sorry. Question number 4. In question number 4, which of the symbol we have to tell that question number 4 part 1. The given question is that 8 upon 7 dot 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 12 upon 9, and we have to tell that which number is greater and which number is smaller in this particular problem. So how can we solve this problem? First, we take the LCM of we have two rational number 8 upon 7 and 12 upon 9. Now we take the LCM. Take the LCM of 7 and 9, that is 69. So my dear students, what we do now, now we make 8 upon 7. Now we make this 7, we convert this 7 into 63. For that we have to multiply it by 9. So going to multiply by 9 in the numerator. Now the second rational number is 12 upon 9. Now we have to convert this 9 into 63. So we are going to multiply denominator by 7. So in the same way we also multiply the numerator by 7. So after multiply, what we have? We have 72 upon 63, and now what we have? 84 upon 63. So my dear students, you can see here clearly we have both the denominators are equal if both since in that particular problem, if we have the same denominator, then which numerator? First numerator is 72 and the second numerator is 84. Which numerator is greater here? 84 is greater. So therefore 84 we get from this one. So we can say that 12 upon 9, this is the second rational number, and the first rational number is 7 upon 8. So the numerator of this one is greater. So this is the 12 upon 9 is greater than 7 upon 8, and this is the solution of this question. Now move to the next question. The next question given here, question number 4, part second. Negative 2 by 3 dash 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 negative 4 by 7. Now solve this. The method is very simple. First take LCM. Take LCM of 3, 7, that is 21. Now negative 2 by 3 now, and the second number is negative 4 by 7. So dear students, I have to convert this 3 into 21. So I am going to multiply this denominator by 7, and therefore I am also multiplying numerator by 7. Now we have the second denominator is 7, and I have to convert this one into 21. So I am going to multiply here 3. So I am also going to multiply numerator by 3. Now after multiplying, 7 2 ja 14 upon 21, and the second number is negative 12 upon 21. So my dear students, here you can see both the denominators are equal. Both the denominators are equal. So since now compare the numerators. One numerator is negative 14 and the second one is negative 12. In negative number, smaller the integer have greater value. So this is greater. नेगेटिव में क्या होता है, जो स्मॉल इंटीजर होता है उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी होती है, जो बड़ा इंटीजर होता है नेगेटिव में उसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है, छोटी होती है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, वी हैव फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर नेगेटिव 2 by 3 and the second rational number is negative 4 by 7, and the numerator of second rational number is greater, so the second rational number will be greater, and this is the answer of this problem. Now move to the next problem. Question number 4, Problem number 3. 13, negative 13 upon 15, and the second number is negative 10 upon 11. So how can we solve this one? Take the LCM. Take LCM of 15 comma 11, that is 561, that is 165. Now negative 13 upon 15, we have to convert this 15 into 65, so we are going to multiply by 11 here. We are going to multiply 11 here, so 11 also here. This LCM is the product of, this LCM is the product of the denominator. Okay dear students. So and the second ration number we have negative 10 upon 11. So here we are going to multiply by 15 and multiply by 15 in meter also. So after multiply, what we have 341 negative upon 165, and second thing we have negative 150 upon 165. So my dear students, you can see here clearly, since negative 143 and negative 150, both number are negative, in negative smaller the value will be greater, so this is greater. So from here we can say that negative 13 upon 15 is greater than negative 10 upon 11, and this is the answer of this problem. This is the answer. Now move to the next problem. Question number 4, problem number 4. Given here 0 dot 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 negative 3 by negative 8. So let's solve this one. This is a very easy question. 0 and the second number will become 3 by 8. So it is very clear from here 3 by 8 is greater than 0. Both are positive, one is 0 and second one is 3 by 8. The value of 3 by 8 lies between 0 and 1. Somewhere here 3 by 8 is a lie. Okay, so 3 by 8 is greater than by 0. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Exercise 1A from schand book, question number 5, part 1. We have to find the absolute value of 5 by 8. So how can we solve this problem? We can solve this problem very easily. Just write absolute value of 5 by 8. For that we have to take the modulus of 5 by 8. We take the modulus of 5 by 8 and this value become positive. This is the answer of this problem. Second, second question we have. Now the second question is negative 7 by 10. Now we have to find the absolute value of negative 7 by 10. For that we have to take the modulus of negative 7 by 10, and the meaning of modulus, the distance from 0. So the distance from 0 of a negative number is positive 7 by 10. So this is the answer. Now Move to the next problem. Question number 5, problem number 3rd. What is the problem? 0. So the modulus of 0, will also equal to 0. Now problem number 4 of question number 5 given here, 11 upon negative 12. So we can solve this problem. Just write 11 upon 12. Now take the modulus of negative 11 by 12, and the value of this is positive 11 by 12, and this is the answer. Got it? Okay. Now move to the next question. Next question is high order thinking skill, that is called HOTS. Question number 8. There are question number 6 and 7 for you. You have to practice yourself. Now we have to find the absolute value of 1 divided by negative 1 by 5 divided by 1 by negative 5 divided by negative 1 by negative 5, and we have to solve this question. So how can we solve this question, my dear students? It is a very easy question. Negative 1 going to divided by negative 1 by 5, small bracket, this question from left to right, 1 by 1 divided by negative 1 by 5. Now here this negative sign cuts this negative sign and it become 1 by 5. Now negative 1 by 5, at the place of divide sign we apply multiply sign and write down the reciprocal of this number. The reciprocal of negative 1 by 5 is negative 5. Divided by negative 1 by 5 divided by negative 1 by 5. Now we have 5 going to divided by negative 1 by 5, small bracket close, negative 1 by 5. Let's do this one. 5, at the place of divide sign we apply multiply sign and write down the reciprocal of this. The reciprocal of negative 1 by 5 is negative 5 divided by 1 by 5 again. So now we have negative 25 going to divide by 1 by 5. Okay. Now move to the next step of this question. Negative 25, at the place of divide sign we apply multiply sign and write down the reciprocal of 1 by 5, that is 5. So after multiplying this we have negative 125, but we have to find the absolute value of this. So the absolute value, now write absolute value of negative 125 is equal to modulus of negative 125, and the value of modulus of negative 125 is positive 125, and this is the answer of this question. So my dear student, this is the solution. This is the solution of exercise 1A from schand book, and the name of chapter is rational number. Thank you for watching, and please comment your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you very much.